Hi, hello everybody. My name is Valeria Carpene and I'm an industrial liaison officer within the UBC team at the University of Bologna, Italy. So starting from the why I decided to concretely take part to this program and the problem I wanted to analyze and maybe solve partly. As a UBC officer within a large university, university business cooperation is definitely a key factor for both our institution and also for my professional and daily activities, since part of my job is to really concretely and operationally try to build strong and long-lasting relations with the companies. And the University of Bologna is sorry, presentation is not working properly. Okay, the University of Bologna, as you may already know, is one of the key R&D and education player at national level, definitely. We are the second largest university in Italy and with many international links, both educational and industrial. It's also located in a highly developed socioeconomic ecosystem, similarly to the kind of panorama that Shay described about Ireland a few minutes ago. The region, Emilia-Romagna, is one of the top regions in Europe, recognized as a very highly innovative and technologically developed area, with several universities, many research centers, innovation parks, incubators, accelerators. And therefore, as you may already understand, there is a strong competition among industry, but also among research and higher education institutions. Lots of expectations from industry in collaborating with the university, and sectors, industrial sectors, are very, very different. So we have many players, both SMEs, medium-sized and large companies, covering all the different sectors that have really different ways of working with us. Therefore, in order to increase long-lasting relations with industry, and I focus now on the agri-food sector, our team really needed to look for a sustainable way of approaching industry and try to create a win-win approach for both the university, getting something from industry, and trying to get a long-lasting relation, and also industry, getting the right competencies, programs, collaborations with us. And in this respect, I really got some good insights from the mentoring sessions during the training, and also from the few moments where we were working in smaller groups, because from peers and other EU participants, I really got very good ideas on how to think and develop this idea. So moving toward the how, to address the how I developed this project idea, I tried to advance through different steps. First of all, the need of analyzing the ecosystem and really focus on the current information and specifically about the agri-food sector around us. The already existing collaborations with our university, the main actors, both at private level and also within the university, both academic and research or program managers working within the area. And so I really needed to get to know more about relations with these specific actors. And this has been my starting point. This has led me to the second step. There was more an exercise of trying to find the commonalities and common interests and the possible ways of cooperation among our university and industry in the sector. And all of this to get to the third step, that was more about engaging and concretely develop some new partnerships. If possible, throughout what we call the tool we call industrial strategic agreement, that is usually for us, the first milestone of a common cooperation project, of a long-term project, to really develop or reinforce cooperation with a specific company. And the results have been so far, on the one side, definitely a better understanding of the needs and objectives of the few companies we have been engaging mostly with recently, and definitely improvement in terms of relations with them, thanks to many calls, conversations, first meetings, negotiation phase of the agreement, bringing together really academic staff from different, well, our university has 33 research departments, so you can imagine sometimes we have experts that comes from very different areas, research centers, and they don't know each other. They work probably with the company, with the same company, but they don't know each other. So it's also really relevant for us to bring together academic experts with the company staff. And this has led to 3 collaboration agreements, as we call them, negotiated and signed over the last 6 to 9 months, with 3 medium-sized and large industry in the agri-food sector and the food processing sector. All of them are major players for us at national and international level. And in one case, there was already a strong focus on R&D with some specific research departments, but thanks to conversations and meetings we have with them and some research workshops we organized, we are already enlarging the opportunities of collaboration with them. We moved more to some innovation-led programs, to some training for industry staff, and one of them, for example, is involved in one of the largest national proposal regarding the recovery fund investment opportunities that are now available at national level. And therefore, we've seen already an increase in terms of research areas involved at university level, and kind of different types of initiatives that we are targeting. Of course, not all of them may be successful, but we have started a new cooperation path with this sector that was one of the most difficult for us to address until a few months ago. So this is it. I'm available for any questions.